It wasn't that far from where your life began to where you laid it down. A man on a mission. What we couldn't see then, we can see it now. I can only imagine the look in the angel's eye when you came back home and said, look at the scars in my hands and my side. I just wanted you to know these are the marks of the mission. These are the proof of all I've been through, the evidence of sin forgiven. All that I have I offer to you. I followed the call wherever it led me. It was worth every step of the way. I've come through the dark, bearing the marks of the mission. No, I wasn't there. See them drive the nails. Yeah, I still believe that the blood of redemption you so willingly shed was enough for me. Yeah. Lord, I know when you see me, you look past the pain that I've caused to a heart that's changed. If I ask you if my sins were worth what it cost, I know just what you would say. These are the marks of the mission. These are the proof of all I've been through, the evidence of sin forgiven. All that I have I offer to you. I follow the call wherever it leads me. It was worth every step of the way. I've come through the dark, bearing the marks of the mission. One day I'll walk down golden streets and talk with the saints whose faith inspired me. Then maybe I will understand we are the reason for the scars in